Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to stop X from tracking your activity. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to stop X from tracking your activity, you need to simply disable personalized ads, turn off X tracking, and revoke location permission in the settings. So the key actions include disabling personalized ads and personalize based on your inferred identity under the privacy and settings. You need to go and simply tap open precise location and device settings and simply turn it off. So now in the personalization section, you can find this inferred identity. You need to toggle this off. Then you can give the location information and simply toggle this off as well. And now you need to stop sharing these kind of details to X, which will stop X from tracking your activity. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.